game for more than enough. My niggas I know I'm turning it up. Elevation to another dimension, keeping you ready when I'm about to smash it. Do what they say in the evil and matters. Riding a beat like I'm handicapped master. Call me incredible cause it's a fact. Niggas delusional, they can be dead. Just like an octopus can be confirmed. I'm beating them haters when it's begun. Blah blah blah, they be making no sense. And I make them crazy, my flows, oh god, I'm hypnotic. And then in a matic, full go crazy and be drastic. Hypnotic, and then in a matic, full go crazy and be. I do my own beats and that's a fact. Not a brag, but just a fact. Repeatedly calling me out for my niggas, appreciate Danger Boy. The love and compassion I'm getting from fans is a good reason I made it this for. Never been arrogant nigga and I never had ego and maybe that's why I'm getting so much love in and oh my god. You find me blushing when I'm walking the street. Resident hollering at me when I pop. Haters infuriated when I shum. This is starting to be so regular. It's never too easy to be on the top. You gotta have bruises and you suck it up. Smiling while hurting is part of it.
It's a matter of time before they see my rap. It's a matter of